Want the Amazon app on your Windows 11 PC? I'll show you how, fast and simple. Let's get it installed. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. In Chrome's address bar, type Amazon and press enter. Click the official Amazon website from the results. Once Amazon loads, go to your profile, or if you're a seller, open your store page. For customers, open your home or profile page. Next, click the three dots at the top right of Chrome to open the menu. In the menu, look for options like Cost and Save, hover the mouse on it. Here you see two options, Create Shortcut and Install App. Click Install App. Chrome will prompt to install. Confirm the installation, the Amazon app will be added to your PC. When installation finishes, go to your desktop and look for the new Amazon app icon. Double-click the icon to open the Amazon app. Sign in if needed and you're done. That's it, the Amazon app is now on your Windows 11 PC. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick Windows tips, and leave a question below.